We have this EliteBook HP laptop and we are trying to type something over here. And as you can check out, I'm typing these alphabet keys and there is typed only number keys. So what's the problem with it and what the solution of it? First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe the channel for getting more videos like this. Now what we have to do and what the process and what the scenario. First of all, I'm Gogi from How to Do, and today we're gonna talk about that how we can get rid of this type of problems if you're trying to type something on our laptop and it's not behaving properly. So you have to find it out that is there any key is switched on or any light is switched on there. As you can check out, this light is switched on over here. That means if it's switched on, these numbers 4, 5, 6, these will work as a numeric keys and it will not work like a alphabet keys. So what the solution and what the process? First of all, you have to press this button and it's switched off, and now we can easily type whatever we want to type. Now it's not working as a keys, number lock keys. Now it's working as a normal key. So that's the process, that's the solution how you can easily get rid of this HP Lightbook models business laptops problem. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.